In today's fast-paced world, we're often encouraged to share everything with everyone. But what if I told you that there are some things you should never share? Join me on this journey as we explore the wisdom of a Zen master and uncover 15 things you should keep to yourself. Welcome back, my fellow seekers of serenity. Today, we delve into the teachings of a wise Zen master who shared invaluable insights on what should remain private in our lives. Let's begin. Number 1, your goals and aspirations. Just like a seed planted in silence, your dreams need nurturing before they can blossom into reality. Keep them close to your heart. Imagine a bamboo shoot breaking through the earth. It doesn't boast about its growth, it simply flourishes in silence. Similarly, nurture your ambitions quietly until they reach their full potential. Number 2, your spiritual practice. Whether you pray, meditate, or engage in other spiritual rituals, it's a deeply personal journey. Respect its sanctity by keeping it private. Just as a river flows undisturbed, let your spiritual practice be a source of tranquility in your life. Share its fruits through your actions, not your words. Number 3, your kind deeds. In the words of the Zen master, the left hand should not know what the right hand is doing. Acts of kindness lose their purity when done for recognition. Like a whisper carried away by the wind, let your kindness be humble and unnoticed. Its impact will resonate far beyond any praise. Number 4, your family conflicts. Every family has its struggles, but airing them in public only magnifies the pain. Resolve conflicts within the sacred walls of your home. Just as a flame flickers and dances in solitude, let your family dynamics find resolution away from prying eyes. Protect the sanctity of your bonds. Number 5, your innermost fears. Vulnerability is a gift shared with only the closest of confidants. Guard your fears like treasures, revealing them only to those who honor your trust. In the silence of the night, acknowledge your fears, but do not let them define you. Like stars in the vast expanse, they shine brightest when embraced with courage. Number 6, your financial status. In a world obsessed with material wealth, your worth transcends mere numbers. Keep the true measure of your riches hidden from view. Like a pearl nestled within its shell, let the value of your worth remain hidden from the tide of judgment. True abundance lies in the richness of your spirit. Number 7, your regrets and failures. The past is but a teacher, not a burden to be shared with the world. Learn from your mistakes in silence and let wisdom be your guide. In the quiet embrace of nature, reflect on your journey with kindness and compassion. Each stumble is a stepping stone toward growth and enlightenment. Number 8, your intimate relationships. Love is a sacred bond between souls, not a spectacle for the world to witness. Cherish its intimacy and protect its sanctity. Like two rivers merging in silent harmony, let your love flow freely and deeply. Guard its purity from the currents of external judgment. Number 10, your grudges and resentments. Holding on to anger is like grasping a hot coal with the intent of throwing it at others. You are the one who gets burned. Release the burden of resentment and set yourself free. In the gentle glow of forgiveness, liberate yourself from the chains of bitterness. Let your heart be a beacon of compassion, guiding you toward inner peace. Number 11, your personal boundaries. Boundaries are the fences that protect the garden of your soul. Honor them fiercely and let no one trespass without permission. Like the river that carves its path through the earth, let your boundaries define the contours of your being. Stand firm in your truth, and let no one sway you from your course. Number 12, your dreams and aspirations for others. Just as a caterpillar must undergo its metamorphosis in solitude, allow others the space to grow into the fullness of their potential. In the gentle unfolding of destiny, support others with silent encouragement. Let your faith in their journey be a whisper in the wind, guiding them toward their highest calling. Number 13, your creative process. Creativity is a dance between the conscious and the subconscious, a sacred communion with the muse. Protect its sanctity and let inspiration flow freely. Like a brush dipped in the colors of the soul, let your creativity paint the canvas of existence. Share its beauty with the world, but guard the mystery of its creation. Number 14, your moments of solitude. In the hustle and bustle of life, cherish the quiet moments of reflection. Guard them zealously and let them replenish your spirit. In the stillness of solitude, find the answers that elude you in the noise of the world. Let your solitude be a sanctuary where the whispers of your soul are heard. Number 15, your inner peace. In the chaos of existence, cultivate the garden of serenity within. Guard it as you would a precious jewel and let its light illuminate your path. In the silence of the mountains, find the peace that surpasses all understanding. Let it be your compass in the journey of life, guiding you toward wholeness and harmony. And there you have it, my friends, 15 things you should never share with anyone, inspired by the wisdom of a Zen master. May these teachings serve as a beacon of light on your path to inner peace. Until next time, stay mindful, stay serene,